Okay, so my name's Scott Saunders. We're here at Samuel's live event training intensive essay and HMO course in Heathrow. Yeah, it's good so far. Today's been my favourite day, day 3 today, getting more involved into the essay side of things. Last couple of days was more focused on HMO and social housing, which is not something I'm particularly interested in, but I still, took notes and learned a few things, so it's been good so far. The atmosphere is excellent, actually. That's probably one of my favourite things of the training. Everyone's very friendly. Networking opportunities, is very high, especially after yesterday's team bonding exercise. Everyone was just very friendly, very ready to mingle. So, yeah, that's also been probably one of my favourite aspects of the training so far.
Samuel's on stage,
Yeah.
What's it like seeing that live?
Yeah, excellent. Very encouraging. The scripts and the things that you say is useful, and gives you the confidence to do it yourself and just emulate what he's doing. I think it's definitely worth it. It's important to get educated because I think a lot of people here are even quite new to property, so I wouldn't be too worried if you're new or you don't know exactly what you're doing yet. The crash course in particular will definitely help you do that. I went to all 3 crash courses before coming to this live event, the intensive training. So the crash courses will help you direct in your direction of where you want to go, and then you can take it to the next level by coming to one of these events.